Today is Tuesday, the 16th of February. We had an okay day, 200 and something pounds profit. So our first actual, profit of the challenge because we went over the £1,000 balance. And yeah, now we sit in around 1,100 and something. And yeah, we're just playing catch up. So how things starting to look slightly better now. They're not like exactly what they were meant to be, but this is real life. Real life ain't perfect. You know how we do. So I'll keep you updated throughout the week, and I'll catch you guys later. So welcome, guys. Welcome to the second episode of the trading challenge. I was gonna say Trading Flix because I'm so used to saying that back in the day. If you never heard about Trading Flix, go and check out my Money Market Gains Instagram. Trading Flix was the series that I've done about the basics, which are the base of our trading strategy that we're using today. So go check out Money Market Gains, and I'll see you in a second. So it's the end of the third week of the trading challenge. How did we do? So I'm pleased to announce and say that we finally got into some profits this week, as in we are in the green zone. This week we did about 40% from the previous week, because I think we finished around 900 and something, 910 pounds last week, because I had a few trades open but they weren't closed yet. Those trades finished in some profits. Account balance to 1.3k, so 1,300 pounds. That's what we're looking at right now. So we did 300 pounds in total. Like net profit is 300 pounds. Gross profit for this week is 400 pounds, and we still have one position open in the account, which I'll show you now. Which like, to be honest, I feel like that position is no longer valid, and it's in a loss, so it's probably going to be a minus, bringing that balance just slightly under the 1.3. I kind of decided to add a little tweak into one of the trading rules, which is my minimum risk reward is a 1 to 3. Now, whenever I get to a trade and the trade take profit is more than a 1 to 3, what I want to do is whenever we hit the 1 to 3 mark, I'm gonna move my stops. No, I'm not gonna move my stops actually. I'm gonna take some profits. I'm gonna take the percentage, which equates to what I'm risking. So if I'm risking 50 pounds on the trade, I'm gonna close 50 pounds worth of profit at the 3.1. So the trade becomes risk free, kinda, even if it goes back down. And then I want to leave the trade open until it gets to take profit. And when it gets to take profit, depending on what type of scenario it is, so if it's a scenario type A, I'm gonna close 80 to 90% of the remainder of the profits, and leave 20 to 10% running. Hey guys, it's what time is it? It's around 11 a.m. and today hasn't been a good day yet. Trading wise, got stopped out on AU twice. Yes, lost a little bit of money there. So altogether, because on Friday, I said last Friday we had a trade which was on the red, and I said that we were gonna take a loss. So with altogether we lost about 200 pounds. So we're still in profit, but not a great deal of profit. So we're around sitting about 1.09, so 1,090 pounds. And so we got a lot of work to do. So I'm trying to get busy now. So see you later. When you take a loss, go for a walk, go for a drive, whatever makes you feel better, I enjoy driving, so let's go. Yeah, guys, still about Tuesday. Mom went for a drive, and it was nice, quite nice. I'm actually pumped now, back in the game. We'll see. By the way, just update on the situation. One of the trades that, because I stopped trading, by the way, because I know how, like, I can identify now, like, when I'm in a dangerous position, and I knew the thing that I was about to do would have cost me money. So if I did take a few more positions, it could have ended badly. So that's all good. So I'm actually feeling pretty hyped now. I might even go for a jog, you know? And then tomorrow we're back in the game. Let's make some money.
I get a script when I want. Remember the mother Jeroma. I got she got a diploma. She got white fruit and a roll.
Alright, cool. Enough music. How's everybody doing? It's been a while since I posted like an update of the video. Actually, it's just been a week of delay, but it is what it is, and that's happened majorly because I went to Spain, and I'm gonna explain the story now. By the way, don't mind this white stuff on my face. Just some cream that I put on because of the shaving. You know, sometimes when the barbers use the blade, it kind of puts my skin is too sensitive. So yeah, whatever. Just ignore that. But yeah, like I was saying, so the last week that you just saw, week number 4, I finished on about 1,050 pounds, and then I ended up going to Spain. Yeah, that wasn't planned, so I ended up going to Spain, spend 10 days in Spain, but 4 of those days were weekends, Saturdays, Sundays, 2 Saturdays and 2 Sundays, so I missed the full trading week. But and here's how it went down. Why I missed the full trading week is because when I was out in Spain, like my usual data package, I can't have it anymore because I was outside the UK, and as I was in Spain, I had to use credit in order to access like data, you know. So whenever I was out and about, because obviously I was always out and about and trying to see stuff, do things, because everything was open in Spain, I'll find myself checking the trades. And what happens is I placed the trade, got taken out of the trade. Then I was out, I saw that I got taken out, and I re-entered the trade because there was an opportunity to re-enter. Then I don't know if because I was in a rush to turn off my data or not, because I didn't want to spend any more money, they ended up not putting a stop loss. And ended up not putting a stop loss, and obviously it went against me, and I ended up losing more money than I was supposed to. And obviously after that, I was annoyed, so I could identify that I was annoyed, and I already knew that the best thing to do is probably not trade while I'm in Spain. Just wait that, like, don't trade for that week, wait until I'm back in Manchester, and then trade, because there's no point, because I've been there before. I was annoyed, and the thing with this is, and I'm actually glad this happened, because I don't want you guys to think that I'm perfect, that's why I can talk about these things, because I don't suffer from it anymore. I've conquered the fear of missing out, fear of being wrong, and all of that. No, the reason why I can talk about these things and why I'm the appropriate person to tell you about these things is because I still suffer from these things, but the difference is now I'm at a state where I can identify whenever I'm feeling these things. I can identify my emotions and act upon it, whether it is not to trade for the rest of that week like I did, or whether it is to go for a walk or do something else. I understand that I have mechanisms in place in order to minimize whenever I'm most fragile to the markets, and that's essentially all there is in trading. I would say is being aware. It's not about being perfect. Strive for progression, not perfection. And with that note, yeah, we're gonna carry on with the trading challenge again. So we're sitting at the same value as, no, actually not same value, I'm sorry, we're sitting at around 917 pounds. Yeah, not exciting. First time we actually been in a loss during this challenge, and that was because of some stupidity, but it is what it is. But I still got 2 months to hit the target, so I have got 2 months to do something which was already hard to do in free. And yes, let's see how that goes. But you know what, I'm a believer. I believe in God. Nothing is impossible. So yeah, I'm sure we can still learn and take something away from this, even if it's not the 10,000 pounds that we still want. But hopefully the 10,000 pounds will come too. So yeah, that's it for me today, guys. I'll see you on episode number 3. So take care.